If you think about it, the destination is not where the memories lie. It's always been the moments in between. The moments that make us laugh. That made us forget where we're going.
Are we lost, Peter?
A little bit.
It's the struggles of getting there that makes us question why we're going in the first place.
What was saying? How are we feeling?
As you can see, I'm miserable.
But there's always that one person in the group that will push us along.
Let's go, y'all. I just heard it.
What died?
My soul.
How can you forget about all the failures? Just being able to look back and remember all the fear that you had to overcome to reach the top. And once you reach that destination, being able to enjoy that moment with the people who trekked alongside you. Yeah, the destination may be beautiful, but during the journey are the moments that you'll cherish.